So there are usually two reasons why you would need a defibrillator. The first one is if you've already had what we call a sudden cardiac event and you were resuscitated. So we would then put in a defibrillator so that if it does happen a second time, that the defibrillator will rescue you. Whenever you have very fast, life-threatening rhythms, that's where the defibrillator would treat it. Or the other reasons why you would want a defibrillator is for people who have a low heart function for whatever reasons. Either it's going to be from coronary disease or what we call non-ischemic cardiomyopathy. We would then first identify that your heart function is low, and then through medical therapy, we'll try to figure out is there something we can do to fix it. So if we're not able to fix the underlying problem, you would then be a candidate for an ICD for what we call primary prevention. Of course, if you already suffered a ventricular arrhythmia, then you're again a candidate for a defibrillator for what we call secondary prevention. But the procedure, again, is very similar to a pacemaker implant. You'll come into our cath lab, you'll be hooked up to a lot of EKGs, and then you will be kind of what we call conscious sedation. You'll be kind of sleepy for the procedure, and we'll numb the left chest area here, and the procedure takes about an hour and a half to do. We implant the device, and then afterwards we go back and recover. Everybody goes home the same day. Once the first initial month is gone, we only see you about once a year to make sure the defibrillator is working okay. And then every 3 months, we'll do what we call remote monitoring, where the defibrillator will be able to talk to either your phone or a device box that's sitting next to your bed. And the leads last about 20 some years these days. And then the battery for the defibrillator is about every 10 years we have to replace the whole unit.